A look at your national coast-to-coast forecast here on this Monday, April 11th, showing that we have a severe weather concern today in the southern U.S. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center has upped that outlook to an enhanced threat, large-hail damaging winds, maybe even an isolated tornado threat in the Arklatex region. We'll show you that in a second. And then behind the system, we turn cool once again in the eastern U.S. for about the early week time frame. But then looking ahead, temperatures are going to be warming up to above average levels in a few spots that have been cooler as of late. So there's the enhanced threat, the Arklatex region, seeing the best chance of large hail damaging winds and isolated tornadoes by tomorrow. The threat shifting southeast to include New Orleans, the Florida Panhandle, parts of Mississippi and Alabama. And then by Wednesday, the thunder threat continuing along the Gulf Coast states, then also through the Intermountain West, kind of setting out into the plains with a storm system that will kind of get cut off and then send very mild air back into the upper Midwest by the end of the week. Here's our forecast showing widely scattered showers and storms here in the midsection of the nation. Becomes a little bit more interesting again later on today and tonight. Here from the Arklatex region into the lower Mississippi Valley, some heavier pockets of rain will be associated with this line of showers and storms, and looking at things to be clearing out rather quickly on the backside of that front here across the Midwest, the Ohio Valley, but still some areas of light snow, pretty slushy snow accumulations, if any, across the far north. And then heading back to the west, you can see how the moisture is just going to be continuing to roll into the Pacific Northwest. That's where precip valleys over a 5-day period could be on the order of maybe 1 to 2 plus, especially near the coast. And then there's that heavier rain over the next 3 to 5 days in the lower Mississippi Valley, the Gulf Coast states. Snowfall pretty light, closer to the Great Lakes. Some heavier stuff, though, in the Intermountain West out near the northern Rockies. And the 6 to 10-day temperature outlook finally showing temperatures warming back up across the Great Lakes. But here today, we still have some colder weather that'll be diving in about 10 to 15 degrees below average in the Midwest, 41 in Minneapolis.